Alright, it was driving me nuts. I wanted to see what was inside this thing, so I disassembled it. Got 13 bolts or machine screws, metric of course. Brass inserts around the perimeter. An upper inlet, a lower inlet, and a nipple for the drain. If I pop the top off, the seal, O-ring is similar to what was used. Obviously it's much bigger on the separators for the GT350. Some interesting walls to divert or deflect oil. If I was standing at the front of the car and looking at the separator, it would be cocked at an angle something like this and facing me in the direction that I've got it. Again, this is the drain that runs back into the valve cover, and that's the lower portion. The upper portion, it's got a military media or screen that's similar to what's in the GT350. Pop this out. Can't see through it. It's like magic. Somehow it works. I don't recall these two nipples, if you will, on the 350 separators, but you see where they are on this one. That fits very nicely. Pops right back in. Top goes right back on the lower, and the bolts go in. That's it.